Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's time for another donations unboxing episode, and without further ado, let's start. These first boxes are from our friends from the Xbox Original Portugal group. And of course, it's gotta be at least one Xbox Original. This one is a little bit nasty, but nothing too serious. And now let's move on to the second box. And by the shape of it, it might be another Xbox Original, who knows. And I'm right, it is another Xbox Original, and this one is a really good looking one. And finally, moving on to the final box, and man, this is a massive box. Let's open it up. And right on the top, in this bag, we got not one, not two, but three Duke controllers. The iconic model of the Xbox Original. We also got a bunch of video and power cables. On the bottom of the box, we got, I can see at least one, no, it's two more Xbox Original consoles. Man, what a massive offer! Thanks again to all of our friends from the Xbox Original Portugal group. This next donation is from my friend Abel Ribeiro from the UK. And as you can see, this is a PS1 with two controllers. For sure, this one will be a very nice restoration project, so once again, thank you Abel. Moving on, it's another massive donation, this time from my neighbors Ricardo and João Silva. And let's see what we got. First, well, it's a nice PlayStation Portable with a nice little case and also a bunch of games. Some PS Vita stuff, and I can spot a nice good looking PlayStation Vita. This is an awesome offer. Moving on to this little case, we have a Nintendo DS Lite, and also in perfect condition, amazing. We also have a bunch of games for it, and including a nice R4 microSD card adapter so you can play multiple games directly from the microSD card. Super cool. Moving on, we have a nice little generic tablet, well, good looking too. And finally we have this little box with some games for the PS Vita. We have a bunch of games for the Nintendo DS Lite also. And finally we have all the cables and chargers for all the consoles. So once again, thank you Ricardo and João for this amazing offer. And this is all for today. What a fantastic donations that we have in this video. I'm for sure a really lucky guy. Once again, thank you to all the persons that send these amazing donations. Can't wait to start some cool projects with it. But of course, to see all the cool projects you have to stay tuned. For that, click on subscribe button and activate the notifications bell. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.